Hey everyone, today we've delved into the European debut of the Citroën e-C3, a new electric offering boasting an impressive 199-mile range and an accessible price tag starting at €24,600. In this video, we've thoroughly dissected the key features of this electric vehicle, exploring its range, pricing, and what it brings to the table in the competitive electric car market. The Citroën e-C3 enters the electric vehicle scene as an affordable option, catering to drivers seeking eco-friendly mobility without compromising on range. Our exploration has focused on the e-C3's notable aspects, such as its competitive 199-mile range, which positions it as a viable option for urban commuting and daily driving needs. With an enticing price point starting at €24,600, this electric vehicle presents an attractive option for those considering a shift to electric mobility. Citroën's introduction of the e-C3 reflects the brand's commitment to providing accessible electric mobility solutions. The combination of a reasonable price tag and a respectable range makes the e-C3 a promising choice for drivers considering the switch to electric vehicles. This latest addition to Citroën's lineup emphasizes their dedication to sustainability without compromising practicality. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.